Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Morning, Miss.
How are you all today?
I'm fine.
I hope you're feeling healthy and excited. Alright everyone, before we begin today's lesson, let's take a moment to pray according to our one beloved and religion. Let's you pray start. Okay, finish. Okay, today we are going to learn about fractional number. We will focus on how in equality, real and compound numbers. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, fractional number. Look at the following picture. One watermelon is divided into so the value of the part is her or 1/2. Knowing fraction. When the watermelon is divided into them, so the value of one part is 1/3 or 1/3. In addition to the above fraction, there are still many other fraction values. Look at the following picture. A circle is divided into 5 equal parts. The value of one set part is 1/5 or 1/5. The value of each other part is also 1/5. A rectangle is divided into 6 equal parts. The value worth of one set part is 1/6 or 1/6. The value of each other part is also 1/6. A square is divided into 8 equal parts. The value of the set part is 1/8 or 1/8. The value of each other part is also 1/8. Reading fraction. Rudy is a wooden stick. The stick was then cut into equal lengths, so the value of each piece is 1/2 or 1/2. 1/2, 1/4. Reading fraction. Look at the following picture. The sets image show to divide by 4 or 2. Reading fraction. Look at the following picture. The set image show to divide by 4 or by 4 or 2 to 4. If written in fraction symbol, it is 2 quarts. 2 quarts is written as 2/4. Cut the numerator. 2 cut the numerator. 4 cut the denominator. Presenting fraction values. E1 has a batch of paper. The paper is cut into 4 equal parts. What is the value of each part? The value of each part in 1/4 or 1/4. Counting and reading fraction in words and symbols. Mother had a sponge cake. The sponge cake was cut into 3 equal parts. 2 parts of the cake were given to Mita, where 1 part was given to Jeffrey. Two of 3 parts Mita section, 1 of 3 parts Jeffrey section. The portion researched by Mita is 2 out of 3% of 2/3 portion. The portion researched by or 1 portion. 2 by 3 is read as 2 by 3 or is read 1/3. Let's count and word the following fraction. Y by 4 is read as 1/4. 2 by 8 is read 2/8. 3 by 8 is read as 3/6. 4 by 9 is read as of 4/9. Okay. Now I'll give you an assessment homework on at home. Don't forget, this homework is due next week. Do you have any question about the assessment? Iki apa kak? Gak usah thank you, langsung thank you apa? Oh iya kan ya sih. Okay, thank you to everyone to participate actively today. You did a fantastic job. Before we go, let's the moment to cry together so that the knowledge we gain today will be beneficial. Let's you cry strong. Okay, finish. Thank you everyone. See you in the next time lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya.